This ain't just a phase, no, it's a destination. Not a silly wet paper bag teenage love.
We got that original thing, the cotton canvas Chuck Taylor never gonna wear out.
You and I forever. Ain't a fine bone or a porcelain china, no, it's a 24-karat diamond.
We never ever gonna break it. You and I forever.
You and I forever, yo.
Young and susceptible to peer pressure. I made her mine, it was for sheer pleasure. And I had my guard up, instant call for fear is bad. Like I kept my heart in a secured area. But 3 years later, still here with her, in her arms embracing her. Her charm and grace, they just permeate my heart. And we be switching gears through ups and downs. We always make it work like a silly yay. Give a shot to space, but we never stay apart, yeah.
Hey yo,
hello, this is our love story.
I'm a desperate with a chico who would ride or die for him.
I know my baby loves me.
Finish each other's sentences
like it ain't annoying and corny.
This is the anniversary of two darks and Cupid, the meeting of two lips syncing the heartbeats, moment of truth when strings were attached to never be loose. I'm never gonna lose it. True shit, confess my love and proved it to this crazy, sexy, cool chick, and it lifted us both. Everything struck a chord and it's been a slow dance romance to the same good music.
The same good music. This ain't just a phase, no, it's a destination. Not a silly wet paperback teenager love. We got that original thing, the cotton canvas Chuck Taylor never gonna wear out.
You and I forever. Ain't a fine bone or a porcelain china, no, it's a 24-karat diamond.
We're never ever gonna break it. You and I forever.
You and I forever.
Sometimes I sit and think about it. Girl, I need your love and I can't live without it. Yeah, I chase the game and the fortune, I dream about it, fiend about it. Then you smile and say the things that keep me grounded. Yeah, keep me grounded, but support me climbing the steepest mountain. If there ever was a key to my heart, I